Hello everyone, welcome back to this wonderful magical journey where we start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday's class we talked about the magic ingredient, which is food, and how Mother Earth has given us abundance of food and water, for which we need to be grateful. And we should feel positive about it that we have so much in abundance. What is required is our being grateful for it. And whenever we drink something, when we drink water, we need to say thank you to water, feel it, and drink it slowly. And for food, when you eat food, just before that, you can give your gratitude in the best possible way. And also, you can put magic dust over the food, and the taste will be magical. You need to experience it to believe it. Okay, so any questions about yesterday's assignment or something you want to ask, you want to share? I told you to drink water. So, did you drink water by the way I told you? Slowly, sip by sip. Please share. Because sharing makes it, encouraging for others also. And your learning will be faster. I too learn that way. So, that is very important. Okay, so let's start with today's chapter, which is about money magnet, chapter 9. How many of you feel that you need to be the money magnet? How much importance does money have in your life? थोड़ी importance है कि बहुत सारा important है? How important is money to you? बहुत ज़रूरी है? Yes. Very nice, Arush. Good. That's a wonderful habit actually. I have also developed that habit now. Okay. See, lack of money when we have.
Hi.
Hello. Good, you joined fast.
Yeah.
Okay. So we were just talking about our chapter 9, where
Mm-hmm.
lack of money is the symptom of the problem. It
Mm.
is not the cause of the problem. Cause of the problem is lack of skill. आप
Oh.
में वो हुनर चाहिए, आप में वो काबिलियत होनी चाहिए, तभी आप पैसे को रख सकते। कई बार होता है पैसा बट फिर वो निकल जाता है। We have so many big businessmen, industrialists we have seen कि उनके पास इतना धन होते हुए भी सब निकल गया हाथ से। और कई कैसे स्क्रैच से वो बनते हैं एंड दे बिकम बिलियनियर बिकॉज इट इज अ स्किल। व्हाट इज दैट स्किल? दैट स्किल इज जब आप ये समझते हो that you have good communication skills, you need to acquire that communication skill। बात करने का तरीका, आप अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में अच्छे से बता सकते हैं। You know what is informal communication, you know what is formal communication, you know how to start a deal, how to start the topic. That is the first prerequisite, communication skill। अपनी बात को कैसे उठाना है, कहाँ पे कितनी बात करनी है, कहाँ पे कितनी बात नहीं करनी है, where to close the deal। Absolutely, this is the most important thing, where to close the deal। कहाँ पर आपने अपनी बात को रोकना है। Then another very important thing about this skill is your time management skill, your product knowledge, your knowledge of finance terminology like प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट, बैलेंस शीट्स, लेजर, ये सब का थोड़ा आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए। Also, you should have knowledge about your mind. How is your mind becoming? What is your perspective? How positive it is? What are your belief systems? What is your conscious mind telling you? What is your subconscious mind telling you? You need to understand this concept of mind when you are doing any kind of work, when you are doing your job or into any business. That is so important. आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम कैसा है? क्या आप ये सोचते हैं कि आजकल के हालात में कौन पैसा कमा सकता है? पैसा कमाना तो आप समझ लो इम्पॉसिबल हो गया इस सिचुएशन में। या आप ये सोचते हैं कि जिसके पास ज्यादा धन है वो तो बहुत ही करप्ट आदमी होगा? या आप ये सोचते हैं दैट मनी इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ ऑल इविल? सो व्हाट इज योर बिलीफ सिस्टम? आप किस नजरिए से देखते हैं जो बहुत अमीर है? क्या आप उसको जेलसी की नजर से देखते हैं, या आप उसको भगवान मान लेते हैं, या आप उसको कोई गलत मान लेते हैं? आई मीन इट्स ऑल योर बिलीफ सिस्टम. नाउ हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बिलीफ सिस्टम. That belief system which is the most important thing when as a child you develop that. जो हमारी एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, हमारा एनवायरनमेंट होता है, वही हमारा बिलीफ बनाता है. और फिर जैसे जैसे हम ग्रो होते हैं, जो हमारी कंपनी बनती है, जो कंपनी मीन्स जिस तरह के आप फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं, वो आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम बनता है. जिस तरह के आप वर्क एटमॉस्फेयर में होते हैं, वो आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम होता है. जिस तरह की आप किताबें पढ़ते हैं, वो आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम बनाता है. So there are so many factors, you know. It's not just one factor. But yes, you need to be aware what is your belief system. Because अगर थॉमस एडिसन की मदर उसका बिलीफ ये नहीं बनाती कि वो जीनियस है, तो वो साइंटिस्ट नहीं बनता. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. हम अपने बच्चों को क्या बोलते हैं? वी नीड टू टेल देम that you can do anything. Any kind of situation is possible for you. You can do anything. Do what you want to do. उनको हम ये क्या बोलते हैं? Be like an eagle and fly, soaring in the sky. Do we give them this leverage? क्या हम उनको बोलते हैं कि जो आपकी मर्जी आप करिए? थॉमस एडिसन को बचपन में जब वो 8 साल के थे, उनको स्कूल में बोल दिया गया कि इनको आप यहाँ से ले जाइए. इज नॉट केपेबल. इनका आईक्यू बहुत कमजोर है. उनको लेटर दिया गया. बट दैट लेटर was kept with his mother. She kept it. And she told his son that your school teacher has said that you are a genius. You don't need a school. You can study on your own. You can be what you want to be. And he became a scientist. He thought, I mean, 8 साल के बच्चे को ही बोला गया कि तू तो जीनियस है. You can do anything possible. और उसने कितने इन्वेंशंस करे. He invented bulb. तो it is all your belief system जो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी पा सकते हैं लाइफ में. We need to come out of our negative thinking zone. Because every situation can be turned into a possibility. There are different possibilities in life which we can create. Right?
Yes.
So anybody wants to add here something? Vidhu, you want to say something? Welcome, Vidhu. Okay. Anybody wants to add something, or we start with our reading?
I can add something today, can I?
Of course, please.
Yeah, yesterday when you were talking about thanking for the praying before eating food or having water, and I don't know, in morning when I was having my breakfast, normally, I just sit down and eat. Today, because of you and because of your sessions and your good talks, immediately struck me कि अरे यार पहले thank you बोलना था, अरे यार पहले ये करना था. So I think it's touching.
Good.
It's touching. Somewhere it's touching.
Very nice. Good, good.
Thank
Very
you for everything.
Very good. I'm impressed. So it's all your effort. See,
Yeah.
it is your effort that you
I
have.
hope we continue, we practice it.
Yeah, it is
Ma'am,
all
I also did
practice.
it.
Very good, Sandeep. Good to see you. I thought you are not joining.
No, ma'am. I was
Oh,
sleeping.
good that you have joined.
In fact, if you could, you were saying, no, some books recommendations, something you were saying
I will
for.
tell you by end of this session. I will
Okay.
tell you books
Okay.
about
Okay.
this concept. So it is very important that you understand. और ये आपकी practice है. मैं तो आपको बता ही रही हूँ. But you are practicing also. That is also good. And you are regular. You are practicing. That's what I'm saying. You practice and you share, and then it increases because it becomes your habit. And then you start forming a belief also that मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. अभी तक तो आप ये सोच रहे थे कि ऐसा तो कुछ पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, ऐसा तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. But now that you have started doing this forms your belief and then becomes your habit.
Mm.
And you will miss it. जब आप ये प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि आप कुछ मिस कर रहे हैं. Because
Mm.
that is the positivity. It gives you that good feeling.
Definitely, ma'am.
जो हमने दो फीलिंग्स की बात करी थी, गुड फीलिंग एंड बैड फीलिंग. एंड
Yeah.
who doesn't want to be in the good feeling zone? Everyone wants to be in good feeling zone. This is very important. Yes, very nice that you all are sharing, and I am seeing that each one of you is experienced something or the other in your lives, and I'm really very happy.
Thanks to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so let us start our who is going to read today. The book.
Now I want to read.
Sandeep,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. So, see, जब संदीप पढ़ रहा है, I want each one of you to read along. आप अपने मन में बोलिए, but आप बोलिए साथ साथ. Because that will give you positive vibration. जो जितना पढ़ता है, like it is important that you read along. और रोज कोई ना कोई अपने आप को नॉमिनेट करिए पढ़ने के लिए. Because that will give you the positivity, that will give you, you will start getting that feeling that yes, you can do it. You will feel part of the book. So this is Money Magnet, and see the money flowing.
From the
Money is
sky.
everywhere in the air.
Mhm.
Yes, please.
It is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. Dietrich Bonhoeffer, Lutheran pastor. Gratitude is riches and complaint is poverty. It is the golden rule of your whole life, whether it's your health, job, relationships, or money. The more grateful you can be for the money you have, even if you don't have very much, the more riches you will receive. And the more you will complain about money, the poorer you will become. Today's magical practice turns one of the biggest reasons people complain about money into an act of gratitude, and so it has doubled the power to change the circumstances of your money. You will be replacing a complaint which makes you poorer with gratitude, which magically brings you riches. Most people wouldn't think they complain about money, but if there is a lack of money in their life, they are complaining about realizing it. Complaining happens through people's thought as well as their words, and most people are not aware of the many thoughts in their head. Any complaining, negative, jealous, or worried thoughts or words about money are literally creating poverty. And of course, the biggest complaints come when money has to be paid out.
Okay. So if you are stuck somewhere in life about money, कभी भी आपको धन के लिए आपको आवश्यकता लग रही है कि ज्यादा होना चाहिए, या आपको कुछ कमी महसूस हो रही है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम लग रही है, so just remind yourself of this statement: gratitude is riches and complaint is poverty. तो आपकी लाइफ में कभी ऐसा हुआ कि आप किसी चीज से जेलस हुए हो, किसी के घर से, या किसी की रिचनेस से, या किसी की गाड़ी से?
Yes, ma'am, we do get jealous.
Yes.
Yes, even I
Obviously,
would
yeah.
say it's not jealousy, but you feel, sometimes that, okay, you want something like this. I mean, maybe it's not jealousy also.
See, if you feel that you want something like this, then it's okay.
नहीं
But
मतलब
अगर
in a way
आपको
I would say, Sangeeta, it's not मतलब every time would you call it jealousy, because you know you feel यार क्या बात है, I wish even I could buy this kind of car, I wish I could afford this kind of thing, you know. नहीं.
see, if you are wishing and dreaming about it, that is what is okay. But if you think कि अरे इसके पास कैसे आ गया, या ये तो आजकल अपने, हाँ तभी अपने आप को बहुत समझने लग गया, अब ये गाड़ियां खरीद रहा है, घर बना रहा है, तो अब तो ये अपने आप को बहुत समझने लग गया, देयर यू गो रॉन्ग. तो अगर आपके मन में ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है कि अरे ये कैसे कमा रहा होगा, इसने जरूर कुछ गलत करा होगा, ये कुछ गलत तरीके से कमा रहा होगा, वो फीलिंग आ रही है, देन इट इज जेलसी. या आपको ये लग रहा है कि अरे इसके पास तो है, मेरे पास तो है नहीं, सो यू आर कंपेयरिंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ जेलसी. सो व्हेन यू गेट इनटू दैट, या आपने किसी की साड़ी देखी, आपने किसी की ड्रेस देखी अच्छी सी पहने हुए, तो आपको लगा अच्छा मैं भी ऐसे लेता हूँ, इट इज योर फीलिंग. मतलब वही स्टेटमेंट आप दो फीलिंग से भी बोल सकते हैं. आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं वाओ व्हाट अ प्रिटी ड्रेस, अच्छा इवन आई वुड लाइक टू हैव दिस काइंड. तो आप कोई गलत फीलिंग नहीं कर रहे, बट इसके पास कैसा आ गया, मुझे भी पहननी थी ऐसे, और मैं ज्यादा अच्छी लगूंगी, या जो भी आपके अगर माइंड में ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है, देन द स्टेटमेंट इज सेम, बट इट इज इन बैड फीलिंग जोन. So you need to understand, you need to, dig in to your mind, into your mind, and see what it is that you are thinking about, and what kind of feelings you get when you think. तो उससे हम jealousy से कैसे बाहर आ सकते हैं? Gradually, when we do this session, we will understand how to come out of this. Yes, please.
If you don't have enough money, paying your bills can be one of the most difficult things to do. It can seem like there is a greater stream of bills that then there is money to pay them. But if you complain about your bills, then what you are really doing is complaining about money. And complaining keeps you in poverty. If you don't have enough money, the last thing you would normally do is feel grateful for your bills. But in fact, that's exactly what you have to do to receive your money in your life. To have a rich life, you must be grateful for everything to do with money. And begrudging your bills is not being grateful. You must do the exact opposite, which is to be grateful for the goods or services you have received from those who build you. It is such a simple thing to do, but it will have a monumental effect on the money in your life. You will literally become a money magnet. To be grateful for a bill, think about how much you have benefited from the service or goods on the bill. If it's payment for rent or mortgage, be grateful that you have a home and you are living in it. But what if the only way you could live in a home was by saving up all the money and paying cash for it? What if there was no such thing as lending institutions or places to rent? Most of us would be living on the streets, so be grateful to the lending institutions or your landlord because they have made it possible for you to live in a home or an apartment.
या सो अगर हम किसी किराए के मकान में रह रहे हैं, या हमने कोई ऑफिस लिया हुआ है किराए पे, सो वी नीड टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट, कि वो है और हमारे पास भी धन है पर्याप्त कि हम दे पा रहे हैं. So that you have more situations like this when you can easily pay off the money. But you need to, अगर आप ये सोचते कि अरे फिर किराया देना पड़ रहा है, फिर आ गया महीने का टाइम किराया देना पड़ रहा है, अरे फिर ये बिल भरने का टाइम आ गया. Whereas you need to be grateful that you have two ACs, you have a TV, you have fridge, and you have abundance to enjoy. तो जब आप enjoy कर रहे हैं तो बिल तो पे करेंगे. I mean, you don't need to waste whatever you are using, but जब आप use कर रहे हैं, so be grateful that you have those things and you are using them. That is the whole idea. See, if you are in a complaint zone, that is the time when you stop getting abundance in your life. क्योंकि ये बुक आपको ये नहीं सिखाती कि अगर आप ये करोगे तो भगवान आपका भला करेगा. ये एटीट्यूड नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. आपको ये बुक ये सिखा रही है कि अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करते हैं, पे करते हैं, एंड दैट इज द ओनली वे यू हैव टू डू इट to get what you want. If you want to fulfill your dream, this is the way, and the right way, of course. Yes, please. Where were you, Sandeep?
Hello, hello.
Yeah.
If you're paying a bill for gas or electricity, think about the heating or cooling you received, the hot showers and every appliance you were able to use because of the service. If you're paying a phone or internet bill, imagine how difficult your life would be if you had to travel vast distances to talk to each person individually. Think about how many times you have been able to call family and friends, send and receive emails, or access information instantly through the internet because of your service provider. All of these remarkable services are at your fingertips, so be grateful for them and be grateful that the companies trust you by providing their services before you have paid for them. Ever since I discovered the phenomenal power of gratitude, I write the magic words thank you, paid on every bill as I paid and never miss a single one. At the beginning, when I didn't have the money to pay a bill, I would still use gratitude's magical power and would instead write across the bill, thank you for the money. Then when I had the money to pay it, I would add thank you, paid. Today you are going to do the same. Take any currently unpaid bills you have. Use gratitude's magical power by writing across them. Thank you for the money and feel grateful for having the money to pay the bill. Whether you have it or not, if you receive and pay most of your bills online, then when you receive an online bill, forward it to yourself as an email and write in the subject line in capital bold letters. Thank you for the money.
Okay. So, like अपने आप को आपने क्या करना है? All these are different techniques to make you in positive zone. To think that yes, you get hope, you get excitement in life, you get encouragement in life, because you get that positive feeling. It is pulling out the negativity and fill it with positivity, because you are thanking for the money yet to receive, but you are thanking already. You have started thanking for that money which you are yet to receive. That is so beautiful. And for the money which you have already paid, that bill, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? Thank you, paid. दिस इज एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड. जब आप बोलते हैं कि वो सब धन जो मुझे मिला है उसके लिए शुक्राना. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द मनी आई हैव रिसीव थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ. हमने एक ऐसे वो बनाया था कार्ड के ऊपर. आई होप यू ऑल मेड इट इन आवर प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स, जहाँ पर हमने लिखा था
Note.
थैंक यू फॉर द मनी
Yes, ma'am.
रिसीव्ड थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ. और हमने उस पर विजुअलाइज भी करा था.
Yes, ma'am.
So here what you have to do is you have to understand कि जब आप किसी से jealous होते हैं या किसी से आपको comparison हो जाता है, and that is a common feeling. इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं. You don't need to be guilty. ये सबके साथ होता है. But you need to come out of it. You have to pull yourself out of it and try to be in the positive zone, because you can also achieve whatever you want to through your skills. And there are various other techniques through affirmations. आप affirmation करिए कि yes, become that money magnet. Money is coming to me. Think like that. तो जब जब कोई jealousy या comparison आता है, so the best way is कि जिसके साथ आपको comparison होता है उसके साथ आप join करिए उसकी खुशियों में. Give gratitude. Give that person blessings. Bless that person for more abundance in life. क्योंकि आप जब ब्लेसिंग दोगे तो आपको वो 10 गुना ब्लेसिंग्स वापस आते हैं. आप जब शुक्राना करते हो तो आपको 10 गुना शुक्राना वापस आता है इन डिफरेंट वेज. तो आपको क्या करना है? ऐसा एक बिल लेना है जैसा मैंने आपको बोला था, डिड यू गेट अ बिल? आई टोल्ड यू टू गेट बिल. ऐसा एक बिल, जैसे कोई भी, मेरा ये ग्रोसरी स्टोर का बिल है, इसके नीचे अभी हम सब लिखेंगे बाय एंड ऑफ द सेशन, थैंक यू पेड. ये पेड बिल है. और जो कोई बिल आप पे नहीं करा हुआ या अनपेड है, या आपको है कि वो
बैग में रखो ना, बैग के बाहर रख दिया। ओके।
मैंने वो पे करना है बिल, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप वो बिल को उस पे लिखेंगे थैंक यू फॉर द मनी.
Ma'am, I have an electricity bill.
हाँ, तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल है जो अनपेड है ना, कि पेड है?
Unpaid, ma'am, paid है.
पेड है. अच्छा, तो पेड है तो उस पे आप लिखेंगे थैंक यू पेड,
Thank you, paid. Okay,
so
ma'am.
that you get more opportunities in life. ये नहीं कि बिल भर भर के आते रहेंगे, इट्स नॉट दैट. इट इज दैट कि आप हमेशा बिल उसको आप दे पाओगे, आप चुकता कर पाओगे बिल को. यू विल ऑलवेज हैव दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू पे द बिल. कभी भी कुछ बकाया रह नहीं जाएगा. दैट इज द आइडिया. यस प्लीज.
Next, find 10 bills you have paid in the past and write across the front of each one of the magic words thank you paid. As you write on the each bill paid bill, feel as grateful as you possibly can that you had the money to pay the bill. The more gratitude you can harness for the bills you have paid, the more money you will magically magnetize to you. From this day forward, you could make it your regular practice that whenever you pay a bill, you briefly think about the great service you have received from the bill and write across the
Of the bill.
face of the bill and magic words thank you paid. And if you don't have the money to pay a bill, use gratitude's magical power and write thank you for the money and feel as if you are saying thank you because you have the money to pay the bill.
ओके,
Feeling
सो लाइक जब आप ये लिखते हैं तो इट इज नॉट अबाउट द स्मॉल बिल और बिग बिल कि मुझे ये वाला बड़ा बिल लेना है कि छोटा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. For the universe, 10 rupees or 1000 rupees or 100 rupees is the same. It is your gratitude, how you are giving your gratitude to pay for the bill. That is more important. Your feelings, your vibrations, that will go to the universe. तो वाइब्रेशन उस समय कैसा होना चाहिए जब आप कोई बिल पे लिख रहे हैं? वाइब्रेशन होना चाहिए खुशी का, हैप्पीनेस का,
happiness, yes,
that
ma'am.
you are capable to pay the bill. Thank God I have this money so that I can pay my bill. I have this जो भी आपके पास घर का सामान है तो उनसे मुझे बिल आता है, मैं ये खरीद के लाई हूँ, मैं ये आयन खरीद के लाई हूँ तो मैं उसका बिल दे पा रही हूँ. थैंक यू. बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग थिंग्स इन लाइफ फॉर विच यू आर पेइंग द बिल. यस प्लीज.
Feeling gratitude for the money you have paid out guarantees you will receive more. Gratitude is like a magnetic golden thread attached to your money. So when you pay money out, the money always return to you. Sometimes equally, sometimes tenfold, sometimes a hundredfold. The abundance you receive back depends not on how much money you give, but on how much gratitude you give. You could have so much gratitude when you pay a bill for $50 that could receive back hundreds of dollars. Magnetic practice number 9, the money magnet. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are wonderful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Take any current unpaid bills you have, use gratitude's magical power, and write across each one thank you for the money. Feel grateful for having the money to pay the bill, whether you have it or not. Take 10 bills you have paid in the past and write across the front of each of them the magic words thank you paid. Feel truly grateful that you have had the money to pay the bill. Before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in your hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Okay, thank you so much, Sandeep, for reading. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
It's my pleasure, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm just writing on the bill just to show you. Thank you. If you have bill with you, you can also write. आप लोग ने बिल लाए कोई?
It's done, ma'am.
तो उसमें आपने ऐसे लिखना है जैसे मैंने लिखा है. Thank you, paid. Okay, it is just a grocery bill. तो आपके पास जो भी कुछ बिल है उस पर आप लिखिए थैंक यू पेड, जो पे हो चुका है. और जो पे नहीं हुआ अभी, या आपके माइंड में है कि मैंने वो बिल देना है, सपोज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का है और आपने बिल देना है, या कोई किराया है जो आपने देना है कहीं का, तो आप एक सैंपल बिल बनाइए. अपने आप एक सैंपल बिल बनाइए हाथ से, और आप उस पे लिखिए थैंक यू फॉर द मनी. उस धन के लिए धन्यवाद जो मुझे मिला ये किराया देने के लिए, या जो मुझे मिला ये सामान खरीदने के लिए. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. तो आप पहले से ही आप लिख देते हैं थैंक यू, so you start receiving that. But yes, it is very important that you do it with positive thinking mind. आप वो एफर्मेशन डाल के अपने मन में करें. ये नहीं कि मन में अगर डाउट कर करेंगे, मगर ये कैसे होगा, होगा कि नहीं होगा, मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगी, तो फिर वो कैसे आएगा? बिकॉज आप दो सिग्नल दे रहे हैं यूनिवर्स को. एक तो आप शुक्राना कर रहे हैं, और एक आप उसको ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि कैसे होगा. How में नहीं जाना. How will be taken care of the universe. You just need to surrender. आपको पूरा विश्वास के साथ ये करना है that yes, I'm getting the money, and then just leave it. You just leave it and wait for it to happen, and the magic will happen. But you need to have that belief, a strong belief that yes, this will happen. आपको डाउट नहीं करना. आपको हाउ में नहीं जाना, क्यों कैसे ये सब नहीं सोचना. आपको ये सोचना है कि ये बिल है और ये पे हो चुका है, ये बिल ये पे होगा, और उसके लिए शुक्राना. So any questions about this class, and I'll show you some video. Anything you want to ask? How to write some questions? It's not so difficult, right? So how was the video?
Super.
It's a wonderful, wonderful. When I saw it, I said,
Awesome,
"Okay,
ma'am.
it was
Awesome.
absolutely
And you feel like listening to again and again, the thoughts and all. Very nice.
7 points, ma'am.
because
Avoidance.
I watch many videos, and for you guys I select the best one which I feel is going to benefit each and every one of you. So now what is your take on from this?
I think everything.
Let's do one by one. Yes, Manisha.
Avoiding negative people. That's what he said.
Yeah.
Finding a mentor, and then being surrounding yourself with the people who have good knowledge about business and who want to grow, who want to become rich, who know how to do business, as he said.
तो आपको कहाँ लग रहा है कि where you need to work on out of all these issues, आपको कहाँ लग रहा है?
I feel first is avoid negative people, because whenever you're doing something, stepping out on anything, people say ये तेरे से नहीं होगा, तेरे से नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
I think like for us.
That is what he is saying, that people will say this. Your own family
Yeah.
will say this. कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम क्या कर रही हो, सबका होता है ऐसे कि ये क्या कर रहे हो, ये कैसे कर सकते हो, you cannot do this, but you have to come out of it. That's what he said. Reprogram your mind, and that's what I said in my first class. You have to reprogram by the power of your subconscious mind, because your mind has the ability to reach to the top. Your mind is the biggest asset that you have. So you can utilize it to achieve abundance in life.
True.
By the power of gratitude. because he also said that gratitude is the most important. You need to be grateful because you need to be humble for that. आप देखें
Right.
कई लोग बहुत ज्यादा humble होते हैं. They're so rich. They are billionaires, but they are so down to earth.
Ratan Tata.
Yes, that is the power of gratitude. The attitude of gratitude with positive thinking is what the chapter tells you. Yes, next now, what do you think, Sandeep? Share your views.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको क्या लगा? What is your take from this?
Ma'am, action.
Action, yeah.
Hmm.
कई बार हमें सब पता होता है, but हम वो action नहीं ले पाते.
Yes, ma'am, obviously.
Yes, but I think now you are much confident.
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Yes, ma'am.
take
Yes, ma'am.
necessary action. You have all the confidence now within you. You have all the potential inside you. Just you need to take charge of your life. किसी की बात सुनने की जरूरत मतलब you need to just think about what you can do. अब आप और क्या कर सकते हो और क्या कर सकते हो और just keep adding to your capabilities and you can achieve whatever you want. You can put milestone. तो आपको क्या करना है कि आपको अपना गोल ऐसा रख. See, goal has to be smart. Smart means दिखने में smart नहीं मैं कह रही.
Yes,
Your goal
ma'am.
has to be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound. That is called smart. That is what I used to give training to when I used to give to corporates. So your goal is what you work for now. कि मेरा ये गोल है. One by one you start achieving your goals. कि अभी आप एक गोल पहले अपना लगाइए और उस गोल पे आप अपना टारगेट करिए कि मुझे ये अचीव करना है लाइफ. एंड देन यू वर्क टुवर्ड्स. थिंक जैसे बताया इसमें कि आपने वो कैलकुलेशंस करनी है, आपने अपना टाइम लगाना है, आपने अपना एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना है वैसा विद पॉजिटिव पीपल. आपको कोई मोटिवेटर चाहिए. यू नीड अ टीचर हु विल गाइड यू इन एंड आउट. Because it is very common that you can get low and high in life. So you get low because कई बार काम नहीं अच्छा बनता तो आप low feeling zone में आ जाते. So you need a push. कई बार आप खुद से push नहीं कर सकते. You need somebody to push. So you get somebody to push you. Find somebody who can help you come out from that negativity, from that negative zone.
And we all are surrounded by the negative environment.
We all are surrounded by negative. हमारे अपने घर में ही होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
But आपको वो सोचना नहीं है, आपको उनको देखना नहीं है. Let them do what they want. उनका करना वो जो कर रहे हैं करें. आपको अपना positively. See, we don't want to get into arguments. We don't want to get into all that. So you have to just keep moving in life. And we all are here to support you. I am there to support each and every one of you.
Thank you.
And it is what I want to create. This is my commitment. Okay, very good, Sandeep. So who's next? Arush? Arush, is your phone working? You have to unmute, Arush. Okay, keep your surrounding and thoughts as much clear as you can. Ignore negativity, perfect. Then try to put your thoughts and belief system into action. And before start anything first, make a full-fledged plan to work upon. Try to take good people's advice too. Yes. Very nice. See, you need advice. कई बार आप पूरा plan बना लेते हो, आप सब कुछ कर लेते हो, but what you need is somebody to guide you. आपका plan हो सकता है, you know, it has to, as what I said, it has to be measurable. आपकी शुरू में आप अपना कुछ छोटा गोल बना के पहले देखिए, and then you just jump on to the next level. Okay. And yeah, you can take help from somebody, you can ask somebody for motivation, encouragement. Kabhi bhi life mein, if you feel little low, or if you want somebody to advise you, how good is your plan and whether it's channelizing to the right direction. Because mind is just like Belagam Ghoda. You need to channelize it to the right direction in the positive manner by using your brain, and that brain is your intellect. अगर आपका इंटेलेक्ट किसी चीज में कमजोर हो जाता है, so you need somebody to guide you properly, thoroughly to that, and to guide you through it to till the time you reach to your goals. Okay, wonderful. Thank you,
Yes.
Manisha. Yeah, who's next?
Ma'am, I think before making our goals, we should ignore the society
Yes.
and clear our mind.
Clear your mind, absolutely. Just clear it. जैसे हम एक स्लेट, एक बोर्ड पे हम सब क्लियर कर देते हैं थॉट्स को, आप माइंड को क्लियर कीजिए, सब नेगेटिविटी से दूर कीजिए. It should be a clean slate. Your mind should be a clean slate. उसके ऊपर आप लिखो जो लिखना है. Create
Yes,
a
ma'am.
new life.
Ma'am,
Create a new you.
one of my friend told me that he wants to make career and ma'am gaming. So I said कि हाँ कर ले, कोई बात नहीं. It's a good choice. So he said कि घर वाले क्या कहेंगे and society क्या कहेगी कि उसमें career बना लिया. मैंने बोला just ignore.
Yes,
Just ignore.
absolutely. कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं है. It is
Obviously, ma'am.
your creation. You just love your creation and love yourself.
And ma'am, it's totally different.
Yes.
Career in gaming.
See, जो आपकी क्रिएशन होगी वो बिल्कुल आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड होगी, क्योंकि आपका खुद की सोच से बनाई है आपने. You have created it. So you own it. I mean, आप उसके लिए पूरे तरीके से रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो गए. You take charge of your life and plunge into it. Any action and take that action. लोग क्या कहेंगे, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे
लोग. Yes, ma'am.
तो लोगों का काम है कहना. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. So
Yes,
just forget what they say, forgive and forget, and just keep moving in life. That should be the spirit. कोई भी काम हो आपने करना है, क्योंकि वो आपका काम है, क्योंकि वो आपकी हॉबी है, वो आपकी थॉट है, वो आपकी क्रिएशन है.
मैम even family members भी ये सोचते हैं कि क्या कर रहा है ये.
फैमिली मेंबर्स तो बोलेंगे अब डॉक्टर इंजीनियर से बाहर नहीं आ रहा है, तो वो उनकी आउटलुक है. आजकल तो कोई भी आप काम कर, ऑफ कोर्स काम मतलब वो दैट शुड बी अ पॉजिटिव वे ऑफ डूइंग द वर्क. यू शुड नॉट गेट इनटू एनी नेगेटिविटी टू अर्न मनी. पैसे के पीछे नहीं भागना. सी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, आपने अपने गोल के पीछे भागना, आपने अपनी सक्सेस के पीछे भागना. ये नहीं कि मैं पैसे कमा लूं तो आप तो कुछ भी काम शुरू कर लो. दैट इज नॉट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. You have to be in the company of good people, good advice, a goal which you can really achieve, and work upon your belief system in a positive manner with the attitude of gratitude. Yes, thank you, Arush. Thank you, Sandeep. Okay, who else? Yes, Minnie, you want to say? Minnie, आप कुछ बोलोगे? कैसा होना चाहिए गोल? आप किस डायरेक्शन में आपको जाना चाहिए? कैसी सोच रखनी चाहिए? क्या लाइफ में करना चाहिए काम? कैसा होना चाहिए? आपको इस वीडियो से क्या सीखने को मिला? आपने क्या समझा? आपको क्या बात अच्छी लगी? बताइए. You can unmute and talk. Mindy? Yes? You want to say something? Okay. Who else? Vidhu, you want to say something? Add on to it. What is your take on and what you would like to share? Ganesh, anything you want to add on to this? Anyone else wants to add on to this? Yes, Arush, पैसे के पीछे भागोगे तो पैसा हमसे दूर भागेगा. कुछ ऐसा करो कि पैसा खुद हमारे पास आना चाहे. पैसे को कोई चाहता है अपने पास रखना, लेकिन पैसा किसी के पास रहने नहीं चाहता.
Be a
Yes.
money magnet.
हाँ, क्या?
Be a money magnet.
Be a money magnet. Become a money magnet. Yes, you can. You can do it. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या. Make yourself the highest version of yourself. Be the highest version of yourself. कि खुद जब तकदीर लिखने लगे तो खुद आपसे भगवान पूछे कि बता आप what do you want? I'll give you that. Because you are the creator. Okay. Anyone else wants to share? How do you feel? How do you feel now today?
Awesome, ma'am. Awesome.
Very good, very good. I'm happy that you are feeling good. All of you are happy doing this.
Yes.
And I'm sure you are going to create magic in your life. Born happy. Yes. Very good. Amazing. Awesome. Wonderful. So this is it for today. We conclude today's chapter. I think Minnie joined late, so I can just tell her कि ऐसा एक bill. Can you see? क्या आपको दिख रहा है मिन्नी? ऐसा एक बिल आपको लेना है और उस पे आपको लिखना है थैंक यू पेड. धन के लिए धन्यवाद. Okay, any questions about today's class? And tomorrow also we have a beautiful chapter. I plan to do, if possible, I'll do 2 chapters tomorrow. Let's see. Maybe on Sunday I'll do 2 chapters, but I plan to do something like this. So, anything anyone wants to share? Or we can conclude. So, thank you everybody. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Love you all. Bye.
Thank you. Can I ask for the books? You were recommending few books.
Yeah, one is Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Yeah, that I've already read.
That, yeah, that's a good book. You can read that.
Ma'am, I have a book called Think and Grow Rich.
Which one?
Think and Grow Rich.
Yeah, Think and Grow Rich is also very good. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
that's a wonderful book. Secret, देखो book सबने पढ़ी है. Secret सबने पढ़ी है. Power भी पढ़ी हुई है मनीषा ने. But it's only when you
How to apply
attend
it.
sessions. ये magic book में. So it is only when you attend sessions, when you understand and implement. Because here in these sessions, it's not just a reading session. We read, understand. It's in a group. It's a small community that we have built. हम उस community में एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं, एक दूसरे की sharing सुनते हैं, समझते हैं, practice करते हैं. So it is your practice, your implementing and dwelling. कि अच्छा ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है, अच्छा ऐसे भी हो सकता है. You create different possibilities. That is the whole idea. Okay. So the sessions like this are very important to make you grow in life and to understand the concept. That is why business classes होती हैं, sessions किए जाते हैं, different topics पे, to make you understand. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time. Have
Thank
a wonderful
you for
day.
the wonderful.
Thank
Bye
you for this
everyone. Love you
wonderful
all.
session, ma'am.
Take care.
Thank you
Bye.
for wonderful session. Thank you so much.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you. See you. See you all. Bye.